You don't have Instagram. Only you have Instagram. So this goes on Instagram for you all. Okay. Yeah, of course. And then I'm just going to ask the boys to go and have their lunch. Yeah. बाद में भी फोटो ऑप्स बाद में करेंगे ऑफ कोर्स. यस, बच्चे अभी जाएंगे. अभी 2 मिनट रुक जाए यार. थैंक यू बॉयज, थैंक्स अ लॉट. सो वी कैन गो बैक दिस वे. या, थैंक यू. थैंक यू. या, थैंक यू. रितु, कैन यू कम बैक प्लीज? या. How are you doing, Shraddha? You're looking so sporty. And I have to say, forget about anything. What is your fitness regime now, man? I mean, it's amazing. Isn't she looking really, really like fit? Please tell me what has been happening in the last 1 year, fitness-wise, before I come into cricket.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
And so nice to be here. Hi, guys. Nice to see all of you. Nice to be here. Thank you.
Yeah.
I'm trying to stay as disciplined as possible.
Not trying, it's working.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you so much. And yes, I feel like I'm back on set after a really long time as well. So it feels so nice to be back on set. And it's so nice to be in a routine also, you know. I think during the lockdown, it was a little slow and it was so difficult for all of us. And so many people were very blessed. But it's nice to be back. It's nice to going back into normalcy. It's nice to even hit the gym. So it feels good.
And nice to see people.
Nice
मेरे
to
तो
see
आँख तरस
people.
गए थे लोगों को देखने के लिए. Ritu, why don't you come a little bit inside? Yeah. So we've got a little rapid fire, Shraddha, that we're going to do with you. And since it's booking.com and since it's cricket also. First up, are you excited about today's match? I mean, I know everyone is, but like, how much are you going to watch? Like, बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं that will watch the end overs, beginning overs. How much will you be able to watch of the match?
So I have to say that everyone is excited about
Yeah.
today's match, right?
Yeah.
Everyone is like, India, India. So that full feeling is there within me, within all of us, and at home I think is going to be completely crazy.
Yeah.
It's going to be crazy. Today it's my day off also, so I get to be a part of. Yes, I get to be a part of this whole experience. So I'm really looking forward to it, and all my patriotism is all up there today.
Yeah, we are all anti the other 11 players. Babar Azam, jaldi out ho jao. That's, we only want that. Ritu, before I go into rapid fire with her, how much of a cricket chipku fan are you? In the sense that background में चल रहा होता है या foreground में चल रहा होता है या एकदम screen के सामने?
Background type में चल रहा होता है. But
Yeah.
we know that this country loves cricket.
Of course, of course. हम सब इसके लिए तो आए हैं. Right, the rapid fire. Okay, so Shraddha, are you ready? I don't have the clock, so we're just going to assume that you have to say it fast.
And I have to be very fast.
Yeah. Okay. Most liked thing about our Indian cricket team.
Super fast, no? One word? Okay. I love the.
No, you can give five.
I can give
Five
five
words,
words?
yeah.
Okay. I love the togetherness, the unity.
Yeah.
And I think I love the unity.
Yeah.
I think that's amazing.
There's no right or wrong answer. Fantastic. 3 destinations for everyone actually, but 3 destinations for you in your wish list for 21 ending and 22.
I've never been to Pondicherry. I would love to go to Pondicherry. I've never been there. I would love to. So one of my favorite places is Ladakh. I would can go back there anytime. Love Goa also.
All within the country, I like it.
Yeah.
And Ladakh. by the
Acha,
way,
out of India also I can
anywhere
say.
you can go. Now it's flights are open.
Yeah, flights are open. Out of India, kahan pe? Oh.
We'll come to that. But by the way, you know, Ladakh, the tour packages are amazing. Almost everyone I know has either been to Dubai or Ladakh. दो ही countries जा रहे हैं. And third is Russia. तो 3 जो options थे हमारे पास.
So I have been to Ladakh, but I've been there like many years back. So I
Yeah.
wouldn't mind going again.
Yeah, so you might just find a lot of your friends there also because it's happening a lot. Okay, the travel goal for everyone. You know, everyone has like a goal. You're incredibly popular on social media and Instagram and all that. And you know how people say goals and hashtag. What's your travel goal? Do you really want to travel a lot or are you still going to be 50-50?
I've been waiting to travel and because I love traveling and booking.com gives such unique experiences. So, and I'm all about like having a unique experience, something new that I've experienced as well. So it's always, or rather I try to like go to a place I've never been to before. So I think New Year's maybe somewhere, you know, not been to before type.
Shraddha, music to my ears.
New Year's.
New Year's.
In a place where nobody's going to be there. So it's a secluded spot.
Matlab like
Or you like
I've
public?
I've never been there like a place I've never visited before. Yeah.
Wait, so give me one name.
Wherever not.
You don't have to go there, but one place you've not been there. We would love to.
Pondicherry, I would love, but I don't know if I want to go there for New Year's.
Yeah, yeah,
but like a place I've not visited before.
50-50. Little
Huh.
bit of action, little bit of peace.
Huh.
Okay, so obviously cricket match today. Everyone's got like their big names. Player to watch out today for India Pakistan.
So I'm rooting for someone new.
Okay.
So I would say that Varun Chakravarti.
Ah.
I'm rooting for. I mean, everyone is a fan of Virat. I'm also a fan of Virat. I'm also a fan of Rohit Sharma, but I'm rooting for Varun Chakravarti.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I hope he gets those 2-3 wickets. I can't explain to you though, jo dard mehsoos hota hai, if he doesn't take the wickets. Yeah. And we've actually been in it for the last 2 months. There's so much of IPL cricket
Yeah.
also happening. So
Yeah.
yeah. All right. Watching a match in the stadium. Now I have to ask this question. A, have you enjoyed the experience? B, more importantly, have you been there and watched it in a stadium? I mean, like that.
No, I have not. Okay, I have not, and I feel like that is something that I
Because
would.
so this question is to whether Shraddha Kapoor hasn't been to a stadium to watch a cricket match in India, living in Bombay where Wankhede is down the road. Why?
It's not down the road for me ना. डेढ़ घंटा तो जाएगा वहाँ पे पहुँचने तक, but
But
and
why?
traffic में तो 2.5 hours. But
But why? So why have you not gone to a stadium?
because nobody has made a plan with me only to go. So, but I
Yeah.
would love to do it. I would
Yeah.
love to have that experience. I think that वो जो energy होती है, and imagine being in a stadium during an India-Pakistan match. I think that it would be madness.
Yeah.
And I think that what you guys have done, Booking.com has done to make this feel is very very cool. And so I'm getting a
So you'll
thoda.
stay here. You'll watch it here.
I'll go home. I'll go home to watch it because I get to be with my family. Or I'll call them here. I should call them.
Father and brother are
Yeah.
huge cricket
Yeah,
fans.
huge. And my dad was also. My dad's been a cricket player in college. And he
शर्म
was
आनी
a-
चाहिए आपको
he
कि आप
was-
अभी तक स्टेडियम नहीं गए हैं.
I know na.
Yeah.
So my dad's been the cricket captain in college or school. I can't remember, but he has a photo. Okay.
Wow.
And what a picture that
Yeah.
that is. He's standing in the center and he's the cricket captain, and he shows it to us with so much pride, and it's such a great feeling to see that. So he also says that I think that if he wasn't an actor, he would probably want to be a cricketer as well. And same for my brother. My brother's also played a lot of cricket.
Actually, every Indian का यही ख्वाब होता है, because your parents think you can play for the country. When you start playing outside, you realize कि ball दिख नहीं रही है. So then we let go of these plans of ours. All right. If you had to choose now, since you've said you're going home, but if you had to choose like this brilliant stay over here, in the hotel, and for Booking.com, you had to choose one or two people. तो आप बोलो किनको choose करोगे मैच देखने के लिए? माहौल इतना खूबसूरत है यहाँ पे.
Definitely my dad and my brother, because I think
Obvious
they will
answer.
have a full blast. They will do full dhamal, and that full mood they will bring to life.
I think you have answered every question perfectly well. There's 7 people standing there. You have to clap. Obviously, since there's no right and wrong answer, this book my.
You're too good, yeah.
No. I managed to get you out enough from it, but I have to say one thing that cricket it's a bit of a religion. Sometimes you also face flack also if you say यार मैं stadium नहीं गई हूँ. So your friends would have said that to you also, na? How can you not go? And now that you've told me that a father is also a player, next time I meet him, I'm going to actually say this. There's somebody actually who's actually going to be staying here, and there's a very special winner that we managed to get, and I've got a little bit of a key also that I'm going to give. But yeah, can I have the key? आधा भी हो. So, Booking.com ने एक कॉन्टेस्ट चलाया था, ठीक है? सो ये T20 पवेलियन का ये माहौल जो है और अल्टीमेट क्रिकेट स्टे में एक फैमिली जीती है, एंड वी गोना गिव देम द अपॉर्चुनिटी टू स्टे हियर टुडे, एंड जस्ट पुट दैट डाउन. Can we actually call the winner, Nilesh and family? Nilesh, I think is just here. Can you please come? There you are. आइए Nilesh. Shraddha, would you give the key? Yeah. Yes, I'll hold that. Just open the key. If you could open the key. Yeah, open it. Yeah, and you can take out the key and give it to me. Yeah. And one picture. Ah. All right, families here as well. Please come, please come, please come. Please come. Shraddha, if you, yeah, come a little this side. Just a little this side, Shraddha, so we can all, yeah. And if you could take off your mask for the picture.
There's something happening in the air.
Thank you. Congratulations. And I hope that this luck that you bring makes India win today. Yeah. सर होना है पहले होता है जैसे ही पिच पर चले आते तो ये दिल थोड़ा ना इधर उधर हो जाता है डन सर थैंक यू वेरी मच थैंक यू सो मच थैंक यू एक लाइट लगा देना सेल्फी के लिए प्लीज हाँ वो बेटर आएगा या थैंक यू ऑलराइट कैन आई गेट द बॉल आउट देयर आप लोगों ने कुछ सवाल भी लिखे थे पहले प्रेस क्वेश्चंस थैंक यू अगेन यू मैनेज टू कम फैंटास्टिक ओके श्रद्धा
Yes.
क्या सवाल है incredibly fantastic handwriting tell us tell us about one of your fondest memories of watching cricket at home with the family if there has been one and you know that you've come in the last 5 overs it always happens you're going like what's happening why is everyone
Yes,
screaming
yes.
one of these fondest memories we would love to hear
Definitely, anytime that there's the cricket excitement that happens at home, it comes from my dad.
Yeah.
Okay, so when I'm talking to my dad or something, he'll be like, "आज match है ना तो, आज match है ना तो," and then everything revolves around. हाँ, आज तो मैं match देख रहा हूँ. And I'm like, "बापू, what's your plan?" Match है. तो that's where like the excitement comes from at home. So I love seeing my dad.
yeah.
Get into a match. It's such an amazing
Does he wear the
feeling.
jersey and all that get fully ready
No, but he's like almost inside the TV only. So it's an amazing feeling to see that joy when he's watching a match.
today's India Pakistan did he care where you were going in the morning नहीं ना ये पूछा भी नहीं होगा ना because आज मैच की तैयारी all right I'm going to go with another question it says अच्छा श्रद्धा आज इंडिया पाकिस्तान क्रिकेट मैच है क्या उम्मीद है आपको टीम से और क्या मैसेज देना चाहेंगे आप भारतीय क्रिकेट टीम को
I mean, definitely it's all about, I mean, I love this. I love this feeling of India, India. So that feeling is such a great feeling. So I'm going to be all about India today.
आज इंडिया 10 विकेटों से जीत जाए हम तो यही चाहेंगे ताकि बाद में किसी को हार्ट ब्रेक्स ना हो
Yeah.
ऋतु वन क्वेश्चन फॉर यू आईसीसी की पार्टनरशिप आपकी जो रही है व्हाई आईसीसी पार्टनरशिप एंड हाउ डज क्रिकेट एंड ट्रैवल हाउ डू दे कॉम्प्लीमेंट ईच अदर
So, you know, we signed up with ICC about 3 years back, and a sport that actually, you know, combines multiple countries together, and we believe in diversity as well. So, and India is actually one of the priority markets also for us, and there is no better way to connect with Indians better than cricket or Bollywood. So that was the spirit where we came together and thought about this idea of, yeah.
एंड आई हैव टू से दिस मुझे पिक्चर्स मिली थी इस लोकेशन की कैसे इन्होंने बनाया था आई हैड नो वर्ड्स टू डिस्क्राइब व्हेन आई एक्चुअली सॉ इट एंड दिस इज वन ऑफ दोस थिंग्स व्हेन यू नो a host will walk and say अरे वाह ये तो better than the pictures भी है like it's not like Instagram when you meet the real people it's like oh this is not like it yeah this was fantastic so great job done there by the
And
whole
also,
team
I want to tell you, you know, this place got booked literally under 4 seconds. Thousands of people, you know,
Wow.
the cricket enthusiasts actually logged on, and so exciting to have Nilesh here
well
with
done
us.
to the whole team of booking.com आखिरी सवाल श्रद्धा for you नहीं ये एक्चुअली मैं ऑलरेडी पूछ चुका हूँ तो ये तो ट्रैवल डेस्टिनेशन ये तो मैं पूछ चुका हूँ इफ यू हैड टू बुक दिस स्टे नो ये भी हम पूछ चुके हैं मेरे ही सवाल लेते हैं वन लास्ट let me ask this okay no this is for you Ritu again which pandemic with the pandemic almost behind us travel's picking up any interesting trends that you're seeing you know like she's got lots of India trends in her mind ऐसे आपको दिख रहे हैं trends
Absolutely. So a lot of people are, you know, the lines between work, you know, if you have to work from home, you could be working in your house in Bombay or be in Pondicherry, you know, who cares? So one thing that we're seeing that, you know, a lot of people are going for longer stay durations. So that's something very exciting coming up. Other is staycations, you know, if you're in, everybody has been in lockdown for so long.
yeah
So just enjoying a property for weekends, I think, is another trend that we saw, and of course, domestic travel, which always has been very big for us. But during these times, we saw that
it's increased
It's
Yeah.
increased,
Yeah.
aligns beautifully with our Prime Minister's vision, Dekho Apna Desh.
Yeah.
So I think it's doing well.
Pondicherry's been put in my head now.
I
can't-
know,
can't
in
stop
my head
thinking about
also.
Pondicherry, man. It's a fantastic. Well done, Pondicherry. You managed to get Shraddha as an unofficial ambassador for it. All right, T20 Pavilion, Ultimate Cricket Stay, Booking.com पर ये सवाल जवाब का जो सिलसिला यहीं खत्म होता है. I will tell you that you have please take as many pictures as you want. और मैं थोड़ा सा exit मारता हूँ and then we'll come back in and just wrap this up as well. Yeah, I'll just take this 1 second. Yes, 1 second. Yeah, first with Ritu and Shraddha together, then Shraddha solo. I don't need the music. Just cut the music. Yeah. Okay, I'll do the right. So just look right, both of you all. Please look right. Now look left, please. Left. Okay, center. First center. And one to the left, please. Yeah. We're done? Okay. Thank you, Ritu. Thank you very much. Shraddha, some solos, please. Yeah. Yeah, just a minute. It's the official 2007 wala. The official hai. We can hold it up as we won. Acha ho jayega. We can use this later if we win actually. Yeah, this is the 2007 cup that Dhoni actually won. Fantastic. Done? Thank you, gentlemen. Yes, yes. Thanks so much, Shraddha. Yes. Without, acha. Cricket bat. Yeah? Take bat, yeah. नहीं बैट एंड बॉल हेलमेट नहीं है यार प्लीज नो नो हेलमेट नहीं नहीं Okay, thank you. Yes, yes. Shot. Okay, Shraddha, take this ball and throw it at him. No, I'm just kidding. Bus. Thank you, Baba. Thank you very much. Thank you so much, Shraddha. Thank you. Okay, so acha, wait. So if you want, you can just do this and one leg forward and then like that. You want to do bus. Yeah. Just was my practice swing. First one practice swing on the side. Yeah. So you turn around and do practice. Yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you, Shraddha. Thank you. Thank you, Baba. Wonderful. Lunch is ready, gentlemen. Breakfast नहीं हुआ चलो lunch कर लेते हैं है ना बिकॉज मैं चाहता हूँ कि मैं खा के आया हूँ ना उसको अच्छा है